Hi guys, in this video we are going to explore the topic of students reading on weekends. We compared the students in male and female. We are interested in this topic because many people think that boys always spend time on non-academic things, such as playing video games or watching television. We want to find out that if it's a wrong impression or if that is the truth. Our survey question is: how long do you spend on reading at your leisure time on weekends? In this survey, we had interviewed 25 boys and 25 girls in an unbiased way. To make sure the survey is unbiased, our team had to spread to different places such as a canteen, library, etc. to collect the data. After collecting our raw data, we separated them into 9 classes. Meanwhile, we had encountered in the process of collecting data, we have the difficulty in finding the class size of ours, as the difference of the data is too large. Thus, we changed the unit of the data in minutes so that we can divide them into classes more effectively. Here is our frequency distribution table, and here's our frequency polygon. It is hard to say any relationship and compare of this graph, as some of the male and female students use times of reading in their leisure time on weekends are nearly the same, and the difference of the two groups pay them for reading at their leisure time on weekends are too large. And here's our cumulative frequency distribution table and our cumulative frequency table polygon. As you can see from the graph, there are more female students use less time on reading at their leisure time on weekends more than male students. However, the frequency of male students use more time on reading at their leisure time on weekends is higher than female students. Wow! And here is our central tendency. According to the data collection, we decided to use mean and the modal class to compare two sets of data in this two situation, as by doing them with median would not be a fair way and doesn't really reflect the truth, as the answer on both gender are the same. The average time of the boy is 78.6 minutes, and girls' average time is 95.4 minutes. And the modal class of the boys is 31 to 60, and the modal class of the girls are 0 to 30. The results showed us girls do spend more time on reading books, but more boys spend on reading. Here's the quartile of male and female students. The lower quartile of female is less than male, which means most of the female students use less time on reading in their leisure time than male students, and the higher quartile of male is less than female, which means the frequency of male students using reading which means the frequency of male students reading in their own leisure time is higher than female students. We didn't round off the numbers in this project, as Fortunately, all the data we've been calculated are the whole numbers. This information gives us a picture of how long the secondary school students spend time on reading. Spend on reading. With this information, departments such as libraries can make adjustments to their programs to attract more people to read. We expect that the outcome would be close. However, the outcome actually have a big difference between boys and girls. The scale of the graph is important so that it provides the stability so that it provides the stability accurate information by dividing them into proper classes with size proper by dividing them into proper class size with clear notions to increase the suitably accurate information of the scale from the graph. We can increase the note in the x-axis bar. We can increase the note in the x-axis bar. Same as increasing the classes, so that it decreases the gap of the x-axis bar between the number nodes.